Hello, in today's video we are going to see how to turn off or on camera shutter sound in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let me show you the sound first. So as you can hear this sound, this is camera shutter sound. So how you can turn it off? Let me tell you, there is no dedicated button to turn this off, but you can turn the system setting down. Let me show you how. Simply go to your settings, then scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. From here, tap on system sound. From here, you will see system sound bar and lower it. So now the shutter sound will also be closed. Let's see. Now as you can see, there is no shutter voice. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.